What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to install the P3 V3 digital boost gauge vents. And yes, I'm well aware I look ridiculous with the GoPro mounted. Stay tuned. So the first thing we got to do, we got to get the old vent off. It's connected to the trim piece here. So the easiest way I've seen a lot of other people do this is we're just gonna pull a bit on the side here, just get a little bit under there, apply some pressure, not too crazy, gently. Well, that's about as gentle as I'm gonna do it, I guess. I'm a caveman, but ta-da, it's out, no damage, we're all good, smooth. Let's see what we got here. This is the stock one, and now the piece of the resistance, and this is the piece that's going to be replacing it. So now we just have to go ahead and transfer this carbon fiber trim onto the new one, which is also OEM, straight from BMW. I bought it already pre-assembled with the gauge. Save time, make life a little easier for us. So now I'm hoping you guys can see this on camera. I'm trying my best here. Let's see. I'm hoping you can see this. We're gonna pop this trim piece here loose. We'll put a little small flathead and just pry a bit. These things are, you know, fragile and whatnot. You want to be easy with it. Nice. It came out smoothly, no damage. I'm a caveman, so this was pretty good for my standards. So now I'm gonna make life a little easier. I'll go ahead and get rid of this side trim piece here. We'll push it from the inside and it'll give us some more room to work with. Let's see, there we go. Pop these clips out. Now, I do know that we do not need to take the whole thing out. Like, this is a good space as it is. So this is the part that's gonna plug right into the OBD2 port right over here. And we're gonna fish this end of it up. There's gonna be a little opening. I don't know if you can see it. I'm in a weird spot, but right here we can fish it up. Okay, so I successfully fished the OBD2 connector up. This is the end that's gonna plug into the OBD2. So now we're gonna plug this into the control box. Here's our control box. They just built this on the 13th, so about a week ago. Clicks right in. Okay, good. Also, let's go ahead and push the new vent onto my trim piece here. Okay, so we're gonna line up the trim onto the new vent with the gauge already pre-installed. It's lined up, click it right into place. You're gonna hear audible clicks. Okay, solid, beautiful. Let's go ahead. So now this cord, this will plug, and so I've just plugged it in. Let's give it a test. That's our coolant temperature. Our speed, 0. Battery, 13.9 volts. RPMs. Woo. This thing is beautiful, it's working. Oil temperature, yes, 115. So I opted to zip tie the control box to this metal bracket in the back here, just as a peace of mind that it won't be rattling around, bouncing around while I'm driving. I do know some individuals on YouTube chose not to zip tie it, and they said it was fine. They had no issues. So just playing it safe here. So I decided to zip tie some of this excess here, and just gonna tuck that down there. Make sure everything is nicely aligned. Okay, moment of truth. Snapped right into place. Vents work. Okay. Let's go ahead and take the sticker off. And here we go. All right. Whew, that was oddly satisfying. Boost. How much boost we got? Nothing. There we go. Okay. A little boost. Coolant. Okay. Speed. 0. Battery voltage. 13.9 volts. RPMs. Yes. Oil temperature 198. Intake air temperatures 95. Exhaust gas temperature 726. Got the throttle here, V12. Okay. Air fuel ratio. Nice. And we could always set some 0 to 60 times. I definitely want to use that and check that out with this car. Set some 0 to 60 times. Boosty boy. All right, let's hit the highway for the first drive. I got it set on the boost reader, so it's gonna show how many PSI of boost I'm putting out right now. Let's get out of efficient mode. We'll go to sport. Okay, I see some boost. Okay, let's see how much boost we can read here. Plus.